Hi everybody, my name is Christy, and today I'm here to talk about what I'm giving away for free. You heard me right, I'm giving something away for free, and let me tell you, this thing that I'm giving away is more of knowledge, a talent, a skill, that I think everybody can build, from the teenager that's still in high school trying to figure out where they belong, to that parent who is a single parent trying to mold their own kids, and they're having so much problems trying to have their kid understand what they need to do in life, or what they even just want to communicate. You want to get closer to your child, but yet it's just not working. They're thinking you're nagging, all this other stuff. So, and everybody in between. So what I have here can resolve that problem. Because have you ever had that situation where you're talking to someone, you don't really feel like they're listening to you, you don't feel like they understand you, and for sure, you get into a lot of arguments with this person when you don't know why, because normally you're fine? Well, let me tell you, what I got here can definitely help. I'm calling it Communication is Magic, okay? It's kind of a work in progress name, but what this is designed to do, what my program is going to be designed to do, is to take these 15 people and help you build your communication skill so that way you can effectively communicate your message. Whatever your message can be. It can be clean your room. It can be you need to be at work at 4 o'clock in the morning. It could be whatever you want it to be. Okay? The message part is up to you. Now, I do want to put this in here. I'm not a psychologist. I'm not a psychiatrist either. Okay. The method that I have is by actual testing, using myself as a guinea pig, including also of observations, really. Observing people in nature, but observing people just out and about, what they talk about. What exactly are they hearing? What does it look like that they're hearing? Plus, the communication between friends and family members. I've taken what I've learned, and I think I pretty much got something that everybody can use. But I need some help fine-tuning it. To do that, I'm giving away 15 spots to my lessons that's going to teach you what I learned about the effective communication. You don't have to pay anything. All I need is a little bit of your time. That's all I ask for. In return, you're going to get the skills to effectively communicate with the person you're trying to, which will eliminate all the frustrations, or most of them anyway, most of the frustrations that you get from not getting your point across. You're going to eliminate all this stress. Because if you're in, let's say you're in a relationship, you love that person to death, but at the same time, you just can't seem to get them to understand, and you want to just, but you know it's just communication. Okay, that can get very stressful over a long period of time. This can help with that. Okay, and this can also help. I'm also going to help you to stop circle conversations. Have you ever been in that conversation where you keep saying the same thing, but they keep saying, no, that's not it, and you keep going in a circle? That is the most frustrating thing about a conversation I have ever heard. Okay? I can help you break the circle. There are a lot of things in communication that I can help with. So, if you're interested in helping me fine-tune this, go ahead, email me today, communicationismagic@gmail.com. I'll put it into the description below so you don't have to remember it, but so you can copy and paste it. Email me today. I'm only taking the first 15 people to actually help me out with this. The only thing that I require is that you have an open mind, a willingness to learn, and you're there to do your best. That's all that I ask. Now keep in mind, I'm not going to be doing this forever where it's no charge. Okay? This is going to eventually become a paid service once it's fully fine-tuned and get a couple things, ironed out, like all good ideas. If this is something you really want to look into and say, okay, maybe she's onto something. I don't like arguing. I really would like people to actually, understand what I'm talking about, especially when it's like all over the place. You're like, wait, how did you get that from what I just said? I don't understand. If you're interested, go ahead and shoot me an email today. Okay? I'm only taking the first 15 people. All right? 15 people are going to be the lucky people who will actually be able to go ahead and test this program with me. And we'll be able to go ahead and help your communication today. Again, I do want to emphasize I'm not a counselor. If you have relationship problems, go to a counselor, please. I am not a counselor. I am here to provide my skills in communication to you to help with effective communication from what I have learned, from what I have tested, and from what I proved worked. So if you think that this is something that you want to actually be invested in and take the time to go through it, send me an email. I would love to talk to you about this, love to talk to you a little bit more about what we're going to be going over, and really going in headstrong with you. So go ahead, if this is something you want to do, go ahead and email me. Again, it's communicationismagic@gmail.com. We'll talk a lot more about the scheduling that we'll be doing, and then, of course, outlining what we're going to be doing, along with some minor things that we'll need to have cleared up as far as expectations. So go ahead and email me, and hopefully I get to see you wonderful 15 people and help you all out and get this fine-tuned. So until next time, guys, see you later. Good luck.